Welcome back to the Coach Al Brilliance Lab. Today, we're stepping into the world of March Madness, where strategy meets opportunity.
Hello, my brilliant friends. It's Olivia the Octopus. And yes, it is March Madness time. A tournament where teams compete, dreams rise, and champions are made. Think of it as a journey. Each game brings a team one step closer to victory. And of course, we're watching our favorite team from South Carolina in those bold garnet and black colors.
All right now, Olivia, let me show you how this works. This right here is called a bracket. It's like a roadmap to the championship. 2 teams play, the winner moves on. The other team goes home. You keep going until there's only one team left standing.
I do love a good competition. Magnifique.
And I've already made my picks. I'm going all the way with our South Carolina team.
We shall see.
Now it's your turn. Make your own bracket and see if your picks win.
Follow the games, feel the rhythm, and enjoy the journey.
Champions, this is more than a game. It's about thinking ahead, making choices, and believing in your strategy. Stay focused, stay ready, stay brilliant.